Natu-turn off na ako sa boyfriend ko for 10 years. Backstory. So ayun, until now wala pa rin siya work. That's around 4 or 5 years since graduating from college. Pag pinag-usapan namin job hunting, lagi siya na-trigger. Lagi niyang sasabihing basura siya, disappointment siya, wala siyang kwenta, etc. Twice lang siya naging motivated sa paghahanap ng work and around 1 to 2 days lang yun. Then nung wala nag-reach out sa kanya, na-demotivate na ulit at di na ulit naghanap ng work for a long time. Pag may avail naman work or may bakante, nagiging choosy naman. Kesyo malayo, ayaw niya ng ganto, ayaw niya ganyan, hay. Paulit-ulit na lang, kakapagod na sumuporta at mag-motivate ng taong walang bilib sa sarili. Ang toxic din to be with someone na super negative mag-isip. Pati ako nawawalan na ng pag-asa sa kanya. Thoughts.
Maybe if you leave him, that's the time he'll man up. Edit. This isn't the time na him with you in your darkest days. Mahirap tulungan ang taong hindi tinutulungan ang sarili.
Imagine getting married to that guy and spend the rest of your life. Geez, the agony and suffering you'll endure.
Wow, your post was 1 year ago na, pero walang plot twist sa partner. Personally, I'd tell him everything and I'll leave him for those reasons. He is already an adult. Kahit hindi niya alam lahat, he should be able to learn how to act and be one adult. He should also know how to regulate his emotions. Baka need na niyang mag-consult sa mental health professional para na rin siguro to guide him sa mga possible careers na pwede or angkop sa skills niya. Ayaw ko na rin kasi sa draining relationship dahil it also affected Emwa mental health.
It will be a favor for humanity if you don't date losers. It will be a disservice to humanity if you let them propagate their genes.
Maawa sana ako kaso sinabi mo na nagka-opportunities na pala siya. So self-inflicted yung slump niya, depressed yan kasi di siya makakuha ng 6 digits work from home job na pabasa-basta lang ng emails. Super choosy kahit di naman siya worthy. Tas nagsho-shutdown on the first sign of pressure. Sang basurahan mo na dampot yan, OP.
Nagustuhan mo ba itong video? Share mo naman kung ano ang tingin mo sa comment section. Kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong mga videos, like and subscribe na sa ating channel. Ingat!